Hi again. I only must tell you the news because this is too good to be true. Kek on WhatsApp just told me that it was animals that left Earth in vehicles through the Stargate when the dinosaurs came. And it was insects and other animals, and they now lives on different planets. And frogs are the strongest one, uh, and it's too good to be true. This really, how could they? But the environment was very good. Much more oxygen in the air during that time, that we know. And I also think they developed not only physically strength and the body, also intellectually and socially and mentally, spiritually, because they need to develop that to do this. And that's why they are here now to tell us we are doing the wrong thing in our system. It's only go round and round. They have been here for 13,000 years watching us through this black satellite, and now they are here to help us be free from, yes, be free from this system that runs from reptiles, because it's the reptiles that wants this system. Uh, Very, very scary stuff. And if we don't follow them, I think it will be all over for humankind and maybe for the planet as well. I don't know. Uh, because we must have some time to develop a new system where we get the right person at the right place, develop a passion, and open the third eye, do everything we can to develop, to find these people that are meant to build and to develop vehicles to get through this Stargate in the sun. And of course, it must be also done in a flat organization, I think. So that was that, and Keck also told me that they sent down the meteorite to destroy the dinosaurs' time on Earth. Is not this news? Then I don't know really what's news. Bye bye.